What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a Chevy Avalanche. This happens to be a 2002 model, so it's probably the same for the 02 all the way up to about the 06, I would say. What you want to do is basically you'll come right here, here's your headlight right here, and you want to go look from the inside, and what you'll see is like a little tab that you got to press in. Like if you come right here, like you'll see like a screw right here, go straight up here, you'll see this little piece right here, and if you go follow this piece around right here, you'll see a little black tab sticking out, which is this right here that I have my hand on. And what you're going to be doing basically is just pressing in on that tab. I'm pressing it in. When you press in, you kind of want to pull out. Like I said, I'm pressing in on that little tab, and once you press in on that, you kind of want to wiggle it and it comes out. Now to show you better, I was pressing in on is this right here. This little piece right here, see how it's pressing in? You press in on that, because what's going on is you come around here now, you can see this hole right here. You can see that right there. Pretty much that little piece I was pressing in kind of plugs into that opening right there. So if you go back to the other side where I was pressing in at, you'll be able to see this right here is what you're doing. This basically, you can see it's sliding up inside of that hole like that. So all you're doing is pressing in on that and then kind of pulling it out, kind of wiggling it out pretty much like that. And once you do that, your whole headlight will come out. Now you'll be able to, of course, if you want to change this headlight out, you just turn it and it'll come out pretty much. You just turn like you normally would with your bulbs. You turn, it's like a little piece right here on this one actually, like a little tab, but once again you press that in. See, I press that in, and once you press that in, it allows for you to pull that out like that. If you want to change out this bulb, and then when you're putting it back in, same thing, put it in, lock that one. To change out this one's the same way. Now to change out your bottom headlight, or to change out your actual bottom light right here, you come around here, you'll be able to see. What you'll have to do is you'll see, like you look inside of here where my hand is at, what you'll see is like these pieces right, look kind of like alley wrenches pretty much. You just want to take like a flathead screwdriver and kind of pop it out like that. And once you put that, it'll turn it out like that. Then what you're going to do is just pull that out. Just like that, just pull out, set that to the side, and then you'll have another one right here. It's kind of a little bit difficult to get to that one, but it's the same thing. You just pop it out. Once you pop it out like that, kind of reach in there with your hand, and it'll come out like that. You just want to pull this one out also, just like that. And once you have those out, move this out the way, then your bottom headlight, you want to do the same thing again. Well, basically you just want to pull out now, and once you have that out, you'll be able to pull out this light to get to where you could change your headlight set right there. If you can look down inside of here, come over here and look down. Now you can see your headlights, one over there and then one over here. And now see, look at the other one over here. And you'll see one right there. You just basically reach down there, turn it the same way to the top ones, and you'll basically have your headlights out. Yeah, that's one. There's one on the other side also. Right over there, that's your other light you can change out. Okay, so once again, folks, this is how you would change out. Go ahead and back out. This is how you would change out your headlights on a Chevy Avalanche. This happens to be a 2002, but it's probably the same from about the 2002 up to the 2006. And then of course when you're putting it back together, do the reverse process. Take the little pins that you pulled out, stick them back in, and lock them back into place. Alright folks, once again, it's how you would change out your headlights on a 2002 Chevy Avalanche. Please check out our other videos on Flashback 502 site, and please subscribe. Thanks.